that nice, Dale? Yeah, Matt? Yeah, Matt? You don't know yourself, do you? Hey, you've never had so much choc. You got lots of choc. I see you there. I see you there. I see you there. Let me see dishes. Where's the boys? What's the boys' names?
No.
And who else? And Steve and Mark and who else? Who else? Roy and Baby. Who else? Patrick, of course. What's your bro's name? Yeah. Where's your bro? Where's Patrick? Where is he?
Right.
Stay. Stay, bloody stay. And what about Davo? Davo, well. Yeah, Matt. Yeah, bloody Matt. Say bye-bye to Daddy. Now what are you doing with that on your head? Yeah, Matt. Yeah, Matt. You little chocolate head. Chocolate head. You're going to put it on your nose next to something. Hey, you're going to put it on your nose and your eyes. Where's she gone? Where's my Annie gone? She's hiding behind the egg. She's got an egghead. Oh, she's got an egghead. What's that on your head? Have you got Chucky on your head? Oh, but you're still eating it though, aren't you? Hey? Is it nice? Is it nice? You're managing to get it all in. Wow, that's a big one, isn't it? Hey? Have you finished now? All gone? Not enough? Hey? All gone? No. All gone now. Bye-bye. How much chocolate are you gonna put in your mouth? Where's it all gone? Where's it all gone? Tell Daddy where it's all gone. It's in a bowl, you greedy little so-and-so. Oh, she says all the choc, Daddy. Oh, the choc, all gone. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Ducky.
Yeah.